Natural how using tomato for acne and acne scarring. Tomato, oatmeal, and fresh lemon juice. Take tomato 1, fresh lemon juice 1 teaspoon and oatmeal 1 teaspoons of. Chop the tomato and set it inside a blender. Add some oatmeal and fresh lemon juice towards the chopped tomato. Blend all of the ingredients to create a fine and thick paste. Use the paste around the acne-affected part of the skin and then leave for 15 minutes. Take away the mask with the aid of a hot wet cloth. Follow this home cure regularly to deal with the acne issue effectively. Tomato and avocado. Now, you place a pot water within the heat and boil it. You place the pulp of the avocado and 1 tomato inside a blender. After blend them until they be a smooth mixture. Next, go ahead and take steamed water from the heat and steam the face for around 15 minutes to assist open the pores. Now, are applying this tomato and avocado mixture for your skin and allow it to aside for 30 to 40 minutes. Use warm water to clean off and pat dry. Tomato with yogurt. Puree 1/2 bit of tomato. Add 2 teaspoons of plain Greek yogurt. Use fingertips to use to skin, massaging lightly in circular motions. Leave on half an hour. Rinse with warm water, wash with mild cleanser, and pat dry. Repeat daily. Tomato with honey. Puree 1 tomato. Combine 1 teaspoon of tomato puree with 2 teaspoons of raw honey. Massage into skin using circular motions. Leave on 15-20 minutes. Rinse with water and pat dry. Repeat daily. Note, you are able to put it on when asleep before you go to bed and wash each morning. Tomato and fresh lemon juice. Take tomato juice 1 teaspoons of, fresh lemon juice 4 drops and cotton swab 1. Add 4 drops of freshly squeezed lemon juice to at least 1 teaspoons of tomato juice and blend. Soak the cotton swab within the mixture. After use the mixed juice around the acne impacted quantity. Leave for 5 to 10 minutes, after rinse with warm water. Employing this mixture 2 times each day won't provide you with an acne-free skin but probably help make your skin look soft, supple, fair, and glowing.